Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 9th of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Moving on to euro dollar now. And with this rebound that we've got in euro dollar, for me is just a little bit indecisive really. We've had these sort of three candles which have come off the support at 11 figure area, which is the top of this big pivot level I've been talking about for a while. But the candles are not really that decisive. You're not really seeing too much positivity coming through, I think, from the bulls. And I think that's reflective in these momentum indicators. RSI sort of basically at 50, not really doing anything. MACD lines drifting back towards neutral. Stochastics really sort of coming towards negative now. So it is sort of just on a bit of a very sort of half-hearted rally. And today, what we've seen is a sharp move to the downside, which has sort of rebounded as the Europeans have come in, but it's already moved below yesterday's low. So that is, for me, an indication of the euro just losing its way a little bit. Although it has recovered, let me just show you here. You've got this sort of rebound that took us above the 1155 support, which has now interestingly come old support, which was new resistance, that has now become support again. So 1150 sort of 1155 area, say 1150 to the pip, is your support now near term. And look at these sort of momentum indicators. The MACD lines are just rolling over. RSI also seems to be just losing its way as well. It's just, I think if we started to see consistent trading below 1150, I think you could well see certainly a retest of 11 figure again, and maybe even those lows 110.86, and that is, I think, what this chart is showing on the daily chart as well. That sort of negative, not negative, but just not sort of on the bearish side of positive really, on these momentum indicators. And it's just sort of, I think, going to again retreat back towards this pivot level at 11 figure, and it'll be interesting to see what happens there. But it's just not really doing it for me on the upside on the bulls, and I think we could well see a bit of a retracement back towards that pivot level once again. So 1150 is your initial near-term level that you need to be looking out for. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.